We often get asked the question of how does solar work, and there's really two answers. There's the technical answer, which is solar produces energy from the sunlight hitting solar cells and creating an electric current. That electric current gets converted to electricity that you can use in your home, gets converted with a solar inverter, just like you get for the utility grid. My name is Joe Cunningham. I'm Director of Operations for Sunny Energy. I'm also one of the founders. People are often asking is, what does solar do for me? And that is, it offsets your purchases from the utility company. So instead of buying all this energy from the utility company, as solar is producing it, you can use that energy in your home to power everything there. There hasn't been a better time to go solar than right now. Costs of equipment have come down tremendously over the last 10 years. The utility rates have been increasing, and they're increasing even faster right now. There are incentives available. The federal government, Congress just voted on increasing the tax credit for solar to 30% and some other incentives. Plus, you really don't start saving until you have your solar system. So why wait? This is the best time to go solar and start saving. It's right now.
My name is Chris Wood. I'm the Director of Business Development here at Sunny Energy. I'm also one of the owners and founders. It's really important when you're designing a system where you put the panels, which roof azimuths you work with, which ones you avoid. The reason this is important is not all homes are exactly the same. Different areas are going to have different production, and of course that's where your savings come from. The more energy we can produce from the same number of panels, the better return on investment you're going to get. Sunny Energy started in 2014. From day one, we set out to offer homeowners a better experience that wanted to go solar. We've always wanted to be the best, not the biggest, here in town. We're locally owned and operated. All of us live here in the valley. We all have solar on our homes, and we are true believers in this industry. We're not pushy. We don't try to convince people to do things. We try to treat everybody like family. When I do this system for myself, my mother, my family, that's what we want. We want happy customers. That's why we have so many 5-star reviews. We're not perfect, but when we make a mistake, we own it, we learn from it, and we do everything we can to make it right. Sunny Energy is truly a one-stop shop. We do everything in-house. We handle everything from system design, to the sales, to the permit, to the installation. It's all done here by W-2 salaried employees. There has never been a better time to go solar. Right now, the incentives are the best they've ever been. The federal government will give you 30% with a federal tax credit, and then the state government will give you $1,000 as well. APS will actually buy your excess energy at a premium over the spot market. Additionally, they've just launched a really nice incentive program for batteries that'll really help homeowners control their energy usage. Batteries make sense for a whole lot of reasons. I have them in my own house for the last 2 years and love them. Please visit us online. We really do look forward to working with you.